guys, and we're back. Oh my god, the place kind of look dark, but hey guys, we're back with the next one. Today is day 7, or counting down day 7 or day 2, however you want to count it. And for today's video, we're going to be making like a drop off delivery, yes, and also we'll be buying some Christmas decoration because Orain is gonna buy me a Christmas tree. It will be in I don't know which video it will be. It either the next one or the following one. So guys, we're going to take you on this journey with us and let you know what's going on. The place hasn't yet been decorated, so that will be our next day on Vlogmas as well. Keep on saying Vlogmas on 8 days of Christmas.
Yes.
Okay. So we're going in a hopper tree right now. And
drop off Lexi.
Yeah, we'll drop off. You got some custom made wig. Yeah, Lexi. Yes, why not?
Get some good up things. Nice.
Yes.
Come to the wig factor.
Yes, I guess I gift them with any, custom luxury made purchase. But anyways, guys, see you when we get there. Bye. Alright, guys, so we're at the drop off location, right?
Just a glow.
Really, brother? Alright, so we're at the drop off location right now. So, I'm waiting on my customer right now, and after that, we're gonna head straight over Woolworth. We wanted to go some other places, but I doubt the time is going to allow it, so we have to just, take what we can get for right now. There will be other days. Anyways.
Yes, so for all your wig needs, come to the Wig Factor. The Wig Factor have your wigs. If you want your bundles sewn together, the talented Shadeka can sew them. If you want what you call them, custom made wig, you want your hair bleached, you want it to be washed, come to Shadeka with your dirty wigs and she will turn them into miracles. Breathe life into them. Come to the Wig Factor.
That's an excellent promotion. Thank you very much. Alright, so I just made the delivery. She was super nice and everything went well. So we're now heading to, we're actually at Woolworth now. So I'm going to take you inside. Oh, my finger. So unprofessional of me. Alright, so we're actually going to head inside of the store right now.
Christmas trees.
And take you in there. Orain, so the Christmas tree. So he may just buy one now. I don't know. I do got Christmas trees. Thank you, babe. Oh no, look at the price. Can't even see it.
We didn't came here.
Oh yeah, so we are looking for 3 troubles as Orain just said, and I need the what do you call it? Fluffs. Oh yes, as I said decor. Okay, Orain, they have Christmas hats. Perfect, and they have the Rudolph. Oh my god, yes. How much is for one?
I'm not sure.
It must cheaper than Mega Mart.
Yes, they are.
240? Is that almost the same thing? Mega Mart was $2.99.
Well, I think $10 for that.
So let's get 2. Get. No, babe, let's get 2. And I want one of these.
Instead?
Or probably one can get a Santa hat and then other one with
You want that?
Well,
That one.
I'm thinking I don't mind these at all. Look at the glasses. I don't mind these at all. This is like an elf hat.
You want that on your body?
I don't want to look like an elf. My ears are already pointed. I would take one of the reindeer. This is cuter. So we're gonna get 2 hats. Oh, see the fur them are in, and this is where is Woolworth my buy them because them the fluffy like this and thick like this. Yeah, I'm gonna get a blue. They don't have any more pink like last time.
But this don't feel like it, it's feeling.
You feel it? No man, they make it work. Remember say mine all in, so the wear around here make it soft. Yeah, it was like that. It lasts though, so yeah, them person I really like them. I don't know where would I put them.
So is the blue one? Should I take down this?
Yes, take it down. Take it down. But I'm wondering if I should get 1 or 2. I'm not recording. This one's nice, Orain.
It's cheaper than this.
Let's get this. How much is that one?
$2.30.
Yeah, alright, let's get this as well. Fuzzy. Alright. Alright, so oh yeah, so you said you wanted a tree topper. What about these?
Nope.
Alright, what else can oh they got some balls. They got me some balls. Balls. Oh my gosh. Go on. Alright, so acorns. Yeah, we needed some balls, but necessarily it didn't have to be acorns. We want something cheap here. How much them balls there? Them balls are $150, babe. Them, oh, give me the pink one. Oh, give me those. Give me those. Give me those. Give me those. I want some of those. Give me those. No, that's true, brighty. I just chill on for so much. I like them myself. Orain, we got a son. Let's see if we can get some cheap one. It's not cheap. People, Christmas never brought me. You know it not brought me. It not broken me. How much is for these? These are so nice. Guys, we're trying to get some buck, a bang for a buck, and it's quite difficult. Like, realistically, these prices are up there. Let me see them. How much for these?
No, man, so the blue ones.
I like them, you know, but it's just to get, you know, the money for what we're really paying for. If I could get 400 for like 8, then that wouldn't be bad. But for 3 balls, you want these? Okay, these aren't bad.
So you can mix them with the ones that you
have. Yeah, these aren't bad with these. Are you?
So you want those?
Yeah, I like these. What else? What else can we get? Or you want to the mirror? They may look cheaper.
No.
No, I'm talking about these. What are these?
Those look dirty.
Yeah, but you can get cleaner ones. What are these?
You don't know what you want them.
That's why I'm looking at them. What are these? Alright guys, so we never get as much options for like the decorative balls. So we're going to Mega Mart now and we're gonna see if we can get it on one tree topper as well. Right? Is it that we need where we're going? Right here first. So what you want? Yeah, but we want balls. I said I wanted balls as well. Something like that you want?
These are tree toppers.
No, but I'm saying it's something like this you want. Okay.
Yeah, so they have the spiral. Something.
But you want it bigger?
A little bit bigger.
I don't really see anything. I mean, it better than no. How much is it? Alright, wait, the one. How much is it? 300? Oh God, these are for 7. We got some silver ones already. Oh, see some more over here. Just treat up an Orain one for $3,000 ad. For the 2,000, for the 200, 300. We can wrap that around it, Orain. We can make it our own. No more decoration over there. Orain, you know see the cost for the balls there, my God. Man, this is something there. I wonder if Azanu can get some more. No, that's not acting a bit, but me I try to think, man. You want to treat over in here? You must buy a small one. But babe, look on, I'm going to show you the balls then. It's a lot though, you know, but it's 700, so I wonder if it worth it. Alright, me just do with the balls I have right now. These balls are attractive though.
That's not funny. Them look rusty. You see?
Yeah, look over the side if you're saying a better one. Huh? So you're the team
Alright people, so we're leaving. And it's not Vlogmas.
of 8 days of
And
Christmas.
we bought this.
Yeah.
And the last little piece so we did need. The three them in there look messy. Me have to sorry more long in camera so because Mr. Sun. Jesus, we can't even see the phone screen. Oh my god.
Yeah, so
Alright.
guys, hopefully we can get to go Azan soon, and if anything we can probably get more decorations there because we're over here on some other people are say over there so probably cheaper and nicer.
Yes.
So
Enter the vehicle.
I'll get the cat. Sorry.
Yes, Azan probably have the tree them nice and cheap cause in a Mega Mart them tree they too gappy.
Yeah man, them tin for the price. Not right now.
Yeah, no, but I did so buy. I
Yeah.
try to go, whoa, it glisten.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yes, me like it.
Yes.
So yeah, people.
Alright guys, so right now for today's
Yes, we're
video
getting
right
off
here.
the video.
So we're gonna get this up for you soon, and just make sure you have your post notification on guys, because this is every day for the next 8 days. Put it up, click the bell and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you if you have made it to the end. Thank you so much for watching this video in its entire. Love the support.
And if you did them not long.
Them not long.
Watch them to the end now.
Yeah, man. So later guys.
For the tree topper.
Later guys. I hope despite whatever's going on you can still enjoy some remnants of Christmas.
Yes.
Bye.
If it was only mistletoe.
Oh. We should get a mistletoe.
Bye guys.